If you create content in 2026, AI tools can dramatically speed up your workflow, from scripting to voiceovers to editing to visuals to getting found. I've researched dozens of AI tools across the creator space, and in this video, I'm breaking down the 8 that consistently earn a place in a creator's toolkit. These aren't competing with each other. Each one solves a different problem, and most of them work well together. Here's what actually saves you time in 2026. Every video starts with a blank page, and this is the tool that gets you past it. ChatGPT and Claude can brainstorm video ideas, draft full scripts, generate SEO-optimized titles and descriptions, and build out content calendars. For creators who get stuck at the planning stage, this is the highest leverage tool on the list. Nothing downstream happens until the script exists. For creators who want to stop staring at a blank document, ChatGPT or Claude is where the time savings start. 11 Labs is one of the most capable AI voice platforms available today. It can turn scripts into natural sounding narration in seconds with adjustable clarity, pacing, and emphasis. There's a wide range of voices, and the output quality is suitable for YouTube, TikTok, training videos, and short-form content. For creators who want clean voiceovers without recording, 11 Labs is one of the most efficient tools in 2026. Descript simplifies audio and video editing by letting you edit content through text. You can cut clips by deleting words, remove filler phrases automatically, clean up background noise, and generate overdubs when you need to correct a line. For creators producing tutorials, voiceovers, podcasts, or short-form content, Descript replaces multiple apps and streamlines the entire editing workflow. Canva Pro has become a central tool for creators thanks to its AI-powered design features. Magic Design can generate thumbnails, banners, and social posts automatically. Magic Eraser removes unwanted objects from images instantly. And Magic Write helps produce text for descriptions, captions, and scripts. For creators who aren't designers, Canva Pro is one of the easiest ways to produce professional visuals quickly. Runway ML is one of the most advanced AI video tools available to everyday creators. It can generate B-roll, create animations, and full AI-generated scenes from a text prompt and upscale footage. Its green screen tool removes backgrounds without needing an actual green screen, and its motion brush and Aleph editor let you animate or edit specific parts of a shot with precision. For creators who want to add visuals they can't film themselves or speed up video production, Runway is a powerful option. CapCut remains one of the most efficient editing tools for creators, especially with its AI-powered features. Auto captions, auto cut, style templates, background removal, and AI effects make short-form content fast to produce. It also integrates well with TikTok and YouTube Shorts. For creators making short-form videos or quick edits, CapCut is one of the most practical AI-enhanced tools available. Opus Clip takes a long-form video and automatically finds, cuts, and captions the best moments as short-form clips for Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Its Clip Anything feature even lets you describe a moment in plain language. For example, the part where I show the comparison, and it finds it for you. For creators sitting on long-form content that never gets repurposed, Opus Clip turns one upload into 8 or 10 pieces of content without the manual slicing. vidIQ is a tool that uses AI to analyze your channel and suggest video topics, optimize titles and descriptions for search, and flag the exact point in a video where viewers drop off. It turns growth from guesswork into a data-driven process. For creators wondering why great content isn't getting found, vidIQ is the tool that closes that gap. One more worth mentioning, Notion AI. It's widely used for planning, outlining, rewriting text, and organizing content workflows. it didn't make the main list because it's more of a general planning tool than something built specifically for content production. But if you're already managing your content calendar or notes in Notion, it's an easy way to get more out of a tool you're likely already using. Here's the quick breakdown, mapped to where each tool fits in your workflow. ChatGPT and Claude are best for scripting and ideation. 11 Labs is best for voiceovers. Descript is best for editing audio and video. Canva Pro is best for thumbnails and graphics. Runway ML is best for AI visuals and advanced video tools. CapCut is best for short form content and fast edits. Opus Clip is best for repurposing long form content into shorts. And vidIQ is best for growth, SEO, and discovery. If you want the biggest time savings with the least setup, start with ChatGPT and CapCut. If you create long-form content, 11 Labs and Descript will streamline your workflow. If you want to experiment with AI video, Runway is the most capable platform. And if you're already producing consistently but not getting found, vidIQ and Opus Clip close that gap. So those are the top AI tools for content creators in 2026. Let me know which ones you're already using and check the links below for the latest deals and free trials. Thanks for watching Tech Authority.